PinePine YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a cushion, but not just any cushion, but an emoji cushion. So I know that these are perfect for your kids and to keep them busy, but they're also really cute to give as gifts as well and do your own DIY things. So today I'm going to try out how to make a cushion. This is my emoji cushion. I'm not the best seamstress, but I did make a cute cushion. So I'm gonna go display this somewhere in my house, and if you guys are interested in buying one, then please visit our website at www.pinepine.co.za. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, as well as on Twitter. So please like, share, comment, and I will see you on the flip side. See you, Pineapple.